These two colors, you guys, make the perfect match look in your bedroom. This color. Where'd you go? Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we are back for a bedroom makeover. Yes ma'am, it is time to update the bedroom, you guys, and I am super excited. Okay, I want to thank Tribe Size for sponsoring this portion of today's video, you guys. They sent us over this gorgeous honey wood 6-drawer, like mid-century Chester drawer for the bedroom, you guys, and I am super excited. Okay, it's time for an upgrade, honey. Yes ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right on off to the side exactly which one we selected for our bedroom. I felt like this was like the perfect aesthetic for our bedroom. If you guys know, then you know, y'all know we like a good mid-century, like modern look in our home. So when I saw this dresser, you guys, and then it comes with metal legs too. Gold, yes, that is exactly what I'm talking about. I felt like it gave the perfect look that we are looking for, because right now, you know, it's just a little low to the ground. We wanted something up a little higher. We wanted something a little bigger as well, because we're trying to update the entire bedroom, y'all. So we want like a bigger TV and everything. So this was perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, honey. I'm not gonna hold y'all. We're gonna go right into the unboxing, put it together, style it in our bedroom, and yeah, I'm gonna do that with y'all. You guys, so this is what the bedroom looks like right now. We did pick these up from another store. You guys, love them down. And just this little dresser is what we are working with right now, you guys, and it's just time to upgrade it, honey. As you can see, we have stuffed it to its capacity. Okay. And I just think the one that we selected is just gonna look so amazing over here in our DIY closet, y'all know, because we put this together ourselves. But yeah, y'all, I cannot wait. I think it's gonna go so nice in this space. Just kind of want to give you guys a full view of exactly how much space is on both sides. So as you can see, we could go for something a little bigger. So I'm really excited to see what that looks like. But yes, this is the before, and let's go ahead and get it together so we can see the after.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, like a piece of heaven for the bottoms.
So they went clean.
Oh, you guys, it is so heavy, and I love that. Love the design on the drawers, you guys, and it is gonna go so perfect in our bedroom makeover.
Look, sturdy.
Yes, sturdy, because y'all, these have had enough, baby. We didn't want those out. We didn't tow those down, honey. You see that one drawer? Girl, that is my workout clothes, honey. We need to change that, and we are doing that today.
Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver.
Yes, these colors together are amazing, you guys. Perfect for this mid-century bedroom makeover, you guys. It is gonna look so good in replacement of this piece right here. Super excited. So you guys, I wanted to give you all a close-up of exactly what the wood looks like, and as you can see, it is good and it is super heavy. I love that. This is the really nice like wood color. Anytime you want to go for like that nice mid-century modern, or like a nice more moody look in your bedroom, this color with this color here, these two colors, you guys, make the perfect match. So I'm really excited to see what they look like, and I just want to give you a really good close-up of the pattern on that as well. It's really nice embroidered, you guys. This is very nicely made, honey. I'm definitely gonna recommend Tribe Signs for any nice furniture that you're looking for, you guys. They have so many nice pieces of furniture. So if I have a coupon code, I'm gonna leave the link and everything like that all the way down in the description box, so make sure that you guys use that and head on over there and get you a nice piece of furniture, you guys, because this is very nice, baby, and the box was super heavy. You didn't memorize the directions, babe?
Yeah, I got all the pieces. I know what we're doing here.
It's how you say it. All right.
So yeah, they got yeah, we want better. Then y'all gonna have to hire us.
Have it, I'm sure. Yeah, babe, no worries. We're gonna get you a bigger TV, okay? Y'all, baby said the TV is too small, and I agree. We definitely need a bigger TV for this space. Oh my God, you guys. So this is perfect. Okay, this is everything I thought it would be, baby. I don't even want to touch it, baby, because you leave fingerprints and you're gonna have to polish it up all over again, you guys. But this is exactly what we needed for our dream bedroom makeover, you guys. It is amazing. Okay, I love this. It is like the perfect touch for our wall closet. It just really added in that touch of elegance. And as you can see, y'all, the pattern that is right here on the dresser goes in with the pattern that's on the wardrobers. Definitely on purpose. I love to bring texture and just like different like interesting patterns and everything like that like together, but not necessarily so matchy. So that's exactly what we did with this piece here, you guys, and adding it to this. I just love it, you guys. I just love it. This is 100% amazing. Like, this is stunning. Okay, and the drawers, you do have to put them in a certain way. So if you do go over to their website, pick this up, make sure that you look at the directions. They're going to tell you exactly how to put the drawers in, you guys. But this is amazing. I love the fact that the knobs are like a dusted, like golden color. Love that. However, the legs on it are like a poppin' shiny color. So you definitely have like a lot of different textures, a lot of different metals, and yeah, a lot of different wood patterns as well, which I feel like that brings the perfect mid-century modern aesthetic, y'all. And it is so good, girl. It's so tea. Honey, now, okay. I know the TV looks a little small on here, and we do plan on upgrading our TV. The last TV that we had was perfect for the stand that we had before, but honey, now since we have something new and approved, girl, we're gonna go ahead and just switch this TV out. Baby says she's going to do it tomorrow, so we will see about that, y'all. But yeah, this is perfect. It's definitely big enough to store all of our clothes. You know, because we have the wardrobers where we hang up a lot of our clothes, then it's just easier for us to store like our undergarments, t-shirts, you know, athleisure wear, night wear, things like that. So yeah, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about this. Also, let me know if you plan on going over to Tribe Signs to pick up any furniture yourself. Definitely, if I have any discount code or anything like that, we're going to be sure to leave that down in the description box for you guys as well. And yeah, honey, that is going to be the end of this home decor bedroom makeover, you guys. It is definitely a perfect apartment update, and it was definitely needed in our bedroom to just kind of, like I said, elevate our space, get it to be a little bit more mature, and definitely on the aesthetic level that we were looking for. So let me know what y'all think about it down in those comments. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next home decor haul. Love y'all. Bye.